You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact.
Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer makes a fresh announcement after court took final decision about 50 Biafrans arrested in 2023. These 50 Biafrans that were arrested in 2023 finally regained their freedom. They finally regained their freedom. And I tell you that it is a direct chances for Nnamdi Kanu to equally be free. Yes, of which Bola Ahmed Tinubu himself knows that. Nnamdi Kanu has overstayed now. He has overstayed, and his crime, and he has proved not guilty of all the charges. So since these very 50 people has been set free, so what else are they waiting for to respond to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's own case? You see that? So this is why we are saying that it's political, purely political. Okay, my people, before you go into the content, please click like, subscribe to this channel so that we can be updating you each time we upload new videos. Now to the content. The lawyer to the representing Nnamdi Kanu, Sir Ifeanyi Ejiofor, has announced a major legal victory. A major legal victory for 50 Biafrans who were arrested and detained since December 1st. In a statement shared on his verified Facebook page, Ejiofor described the ruling by the Federal High Court in Abuja as a significant victory, saying that it is a big gift to the IPOP leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, Ejiofor explained that the individual, a mix of men and women, were arrested in Anambra State by Nigerian security agents while traveling to a burial ceremony. They were accused of engaging in terrorism and charged under case number. Okay, and despite the prosecutions presenting four witnesses in court, Ejiofor and his team filed a number case submission, arguing that the allegations were baseless and unfounded. Delivering judgment on November 29th, it was also clear that Honorable Justice J.K. Omotosho upheld the number case submission, dismissed all three charges, and fully acquitted the accused individuals. Ejiofor praised the judge's ruling as incisive, profound, and reflective of justice, thanking God for what he called divine intervention. The lawyer revealed that his legal team worked on the case pro bono, providing their services without charging the defendant's family. He extended his gratitude to his colleagues, including Barrister Habila Toshak, Barrister Chimunya Emenari, and the head of chambers for their tireless efforts in securing this legal victory. Yes, so now legal victory, my people. Yes, so now legal victory. You understand? Because easy at all. You see, this is one of the things everyone has been saying, but I don't think the president is willing already to do as advised. Make it better do, because if you no do, waiting, uh, what is happening at the moment will begin to happen and will continue to happen. Everybody wants peace in the country, but because of the situation of things and because of the way things are going, I don't think the president will really get it right. So make you obey so that peace will fully be restored in this country, Nigeria. Now, peace we want, no want war. Okay, my people, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.